wish you have a great day and welcome to our video. My name is Linh.
My name is Miai.
We are from Dray Sap A1 at Phan Boi Chau High School.
My school is located in Nam Nhông Commune, Kazut District, Đắk Nông Province. It was established in 2006 with a group of experienced teachers. It has trained many generations of students with solid knowledge and a good moral foundation. We are also very proud to be students of the school, educating our talent, enthusiasm, and creativity to create outstanding achievements for the school.
The reason why we participate in the English-speaking contest 2022 Đắk Nông UNESCO Global Geoparking site is that we want to introduce my beloved homeland to as many people as possible. We want everyone to see beautiful landscapes such as tall mountains, stunning waterfalls, and winning roads. Furthermore, we also have the opportunity to exchange and enrich our knowledge with the participants in the competition. So, where are we going today, Miai?
Today is our pleasure when we standing here to tell you about a beautiful place in Đắk Nông, which is the Dray Sap waterfall, and to understand more about it, let's come with us in this video.
Đắk Nông Geopark covers an area of more than 4,700 square kilometers, spanning 6 districts and towns. This place converges typical values of geology, geomorphology, archaeology, culture, and biodiversity typical of the area.
There are about 65 geological and geomorphological heritage, including a system of nearly 50 caves with a total length of more than 10,000 meter crater waterfalls, including 6 world-class geological heritage located in the middle of land, rich in cultural history with tangible and intangible cultural values, such as Gong Cultural Space in the Central Highlands, Nam Nung Nature Reserve, Ta Dong National Park, and Special Use in Forest.
This is the third global geopark in Vietnam after Dong Văn Don Playtown Global Geopark in Hà Giang Province and non nước Cao Bằng Global Geopark in Cao Bằng Province.
The Dray Sap waterfall is on Serapok River on Đắk Sô Commune, Kazut District, Đắk Nông Province. This waterfall is also known as Chong Waterfall, and this is from 30 kilometers south of Buôn Ma Thuột City. Not far from the Dray Sap waterfall is Dray Nu waterfall in Đắk Lắk Province.
Now we are on the way to go to the Dray Sap waterfall. To the upstream about 3.5 kilometers is Gia Long waterfall. To reach the Dray Sap waterfall, you can follow the road to the Dray Nu or take the path number 13 from Buôn Ma Thuột to Crono. The car will drop you right in the front of entrance of the waterfall. If you want to get into here, you have to buy a ticket.
The tickets for adults is about 80,000 Vietnam dong.
And the tickets for children is about 15,000 Vietnam dong. Now we are on the Dray Sap waterfall. Let's go.
His name is derived from a love story between a boy and a girl who live in this area. In the Ede language, it means smoky waterfall. At more than 10 meters high on the Serapok River, the smoke waterfall was formed by basalt flows of the Nam Plang volcano, which erupted and covered sedimentary rocks.
On coming here, visitors can observe many different forms of foam basalt. Side of basalt flow and fossil moss. The basalt eruption here also form columnar basalt rock, resulting from fact that lava flows slowly, cold, and contracted.
When the visitors come to Dray Sap waterfall, they will have a chance to hear about the story of the faithful girl, Hermie, and her lover, which has sought visitors' hearts and make a deep impression on them.
The climate at the Dray Sap waterfall is typical of Central Highlands. climate, which is rainy season and dry season. For the tourists, the right time to come here in the rainy season, and you will feel clearly the tropical ecosystem in the island. When you come to waterfall, now a person walks on the line of the water. Rainy season, the water the Dray Sap waterfall is better than other waterfalls in the highlands and to the wilderness of the surrounding forest. Traveling to that mountain during the rainy season can be uncomfortable because of wet snowy, but this trip will go to a protected side of the Dray Sap during the wet season. However, for local people, the Dray Sap waterfall is in the season of policy. This is the town is rather high the most beautiful view of the year. At this time, you can see the contrasting picture between the great white, red on one side and the smoky waterfall below, moving the potential of a primarily of people of the Pacific Islands.
Up to now, Dray Sap waterfall has brought many biodiversity values in many aspects.
First of all, in historical values, the Dray Sap waterfall is associated with the following historical events. In 1930 to 1933, the French colonialists mobilized civil servants and political prisoners at Wilmington inside the town to work as the earthly park. Suffering under their total, with they total to build a roadway through the waterfall with a spanning bridge over Air-Crow River.
Today we still see the bridge behind us. This is the bridge that the French colonialists built. This is the most convincing historical evidence of the approval of the French colonists at the time. There were countless people, husbands and political prisoners, that left their bodies in the deep forest and advice. And this is also the place to test and train the spirit and will of the communist hatred to fight for the revolutionary. Last but not least, you should pay attention to protect the environment here, and you should not throw garbage in this property.
After the party is over, you should cautiously clean up to avoid polluting the environment and affecting the landscape of the waterfall. I hope you will have a chance to visit here soon. It's easy to say that this is the end of this journey. Ling, how did you feel today?
From my point of view, I feel delighted and excited. When I come here, I admire the view of the poetic and the beauty of the Dray Sap waterfall and feel the beauty of nature here. How about you, Ming Anh?
I totally agree with you. During the journey, we want to show you the magnificent beauty of the Dray Sap waterfall throughout the course of many years. It continues to add to the richness of Đắk Nông Geopark by creating unique values.
After watching this video, I hope you will save time to visit Dray Sap waterfall, enjoy the cool air at night, welcome to the dawn, hear the chirping of birds, and have a sense of how beautiful life is. And this contest is a great opportunity to us to know more about the size of Đắk Nông Geopark.
Thanks for watching and goodbye!